put the top part on like this, and then we got the GoPro. This is the GoPro for the GoPro 8. This has a dampener. I don't know how it works. I gotta look at the at his website. It goes like something like this, and then it dampens this more, so if it's vibrating, make a smoother video. Okay, here's another thing I learned from JB, which is Joshua Bardwell. See this thing here? I didn't think it would work, but it does work. Stick it in there. As you can hear, it's plugged into there. It's really cool. I have this in every quad. I have it in this one here. See that? There's one right here. I have it in the other one. So I like it. It just, you don't have to take it out. This is a little bit harder, but there you go. So now I have to test this out. Let's see. Let's see if this is gonna pop or there's any short. Yeah, nope. With a sound like that, and it looks good here, and that's good news. But this was shorting out. Oh, there it goes. Sometimes it gives you a false reading, but I'm gonna retest it. Actually, I'm gonna test the goggles right now. I'm going to I'm gonna see if the goggles work first. The main difference is this is a 3D component. The other one is more plastic. I know this looks cheaper than the other one. The other one looks really nice, but this is what most people use for cinewhoop, because if you hit something, okay, you might just scratch this part here, and that's about it. Then he gave me this thing here. I bought it actually. This thing is to use. I have a lot of 4-inch because last year was the 4-inch quad. This one I had since 2015, I think. It's so long ago. Let's see if this works. I'm going to put this here. As long as you take care of the batteries, they last a long time. As long as you have it on storage. See, it's not even puffy or nothing. Weird, huh? Let me see if this goes through. Yep, there it goes, 4.2. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there.
Ignition off.
Alright, let's see.
Buzzer.
See those lights? Cool, huh? See if it powers up.
6-cell arm motors.
Wow.
Ignition off.
I think I'm ready to go. Maybe tomorrow I'll go and fly. We'll see. I love this. Oh, look at this thing here. Forgot to tell you. This is so clever. See that? If you want it this tilt, you can just here and put the battery. You want more tilt, you go up and put the battery and strap it on. It's really clever. I don't know how good this is his method of dampening. Even though this has hyper smooth on, this will help a lot with the minor vibration. All in all, I love this better than the other one, the Get FPV one. I might rebuild the Get FPV one, but right now it's just in the shelf. So I'll be thinking about that. Okay, flying some more now.